Hi everyone, I'm Nelkin. I'm a knitwear designer. I live in upstate New York in the Finger Lakes region, and this video is going to quickly show you how to work lifted increases. I love using lifted left and lifted right increases when I'm working a flat, not textural stitch like Stockinette Stitch to create directional increases in my fabric. Let me show you how easy they are to do. So down here on the swatch, I've already worked a few increases so you can see the lines that they create. This is the lifted right increase, and that creates an increase that goes to the right like there. And these are my lifted left increases, which slant to the left. So let me show you the lifted right increase. Okay, what you're gonna do is come to the stitch right below your stitch on the needle and grab the right leg of that stitch and bring it up and put it on your left hand needle, and then work through the front of that leg. And what that does is create the right leaning increase. And now I'm going to go ahead and knit that next stitch because I really think you can see how it lines right up. Now I'm going to work across to show you how easy it is to do the left leaning increase. So for the left leaning increase, you're going to come to 2 stitches below the stitch on the needle. So count down. Here's our stitch on the needle. There's 1, there's 2. And you're going to go ahead and take the left leg of that stitch with the left hand needle, and then go ahead and work into the back of that stitch so that you're not twisting it. And that makes a left leaning increase. Okay, if you want to watch me do that again, just rewind and watch a few more times. For more tutorials, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my website. I am thrilled to be knitting with you.